also worked with Sunny Leone and in Ragini MMS2, and she was the most searched, the Google person on. I don't know why did people Google her so much.
I wonder why. मेरे जो दोस्त हैं उन्होंने कभी परवाह नहीं की परवीन दोस्त है क्या फिल्म आ रही है क्या फिल्म नहीं आ रही है, उनको कुछ पड़ी नहीं आ रही. पहली बार जिंदगी में जब रागनी MMS पार्ट 2 आ रही थी, पहली बार जिंदगी में उन्होंने कहा यार तेरी फिल्म देखनी है. तो प्रीमियर पे आना है, तेरी फिल्म देखनी है. सबके सब लाइन में लगे तेरी फिल्म देखनी है. और फिल्म देखने के बाद उनकी आंखों में मेरे लिए जो इज्जत ऑल ऑफ सडन बनी पहली बार कि यार भाई सही जा रहा है.
Meera Nair was there. I mean, Nasruddin Shah is there. Then Anupam Kher is there, and then you worked with Shah Rukh Khan as well.
Yeah.
So did you plan these things?
No, you can never plan these things.
Shah
Like I
Rukh
said,
Khan in your life.
touch wood, I knew Shah Rukh bhai a little from before.
All right, hi everyone, welcome on board. Today I'm really humbled to have Mr. Praveen on board. Hello sir, how are you doing?
Pleasure, बिल्कुल फर्स्ट जी.
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm a big fan from the monsoon wedding days.
Thank you.
The song Kawa Kawa used to play in my hostel. I was the only Punjabi on my floor.
अच्छा.
I studied in NITs. तो NITs में क्या एक पंजाब पार्टी होती, कर्नाटका पार्टी होती, तो people play तमिल
पंजाबी
वाले
कम होते हैं उसमें.
पंजाबी कम होते हैं. तो तमिल वाले अपने गाने चला रहे हैं, हम लोग अपने. तो I used to play that full throttle.
Okay,
and
nice.
and I think the video of the movie which plays towards the end, वो जब numbering आता है so called, and then you are also part of the whole thing in the marriage thing. So great sir, great, humbled to have you.
Thank you, pleasure.
So today we're going to chit chat about your journey. You started nearly 20 years back, and 20 years back, and from Dil Lagi, and then did some English stuff. आज सब पूछेंगे, आज सब पूछने वाला मैं आपसे. Let's begin. पहली बात तो first question, like how did this acting bug happen to you? कि कब लगा कि यार?
Interesting question. Actually क्या हुआ था कि स्कूल में भी 11th क्लास में मैं मॉडर्न स्कूल वसंत विहार में था, एंड हमारे यहाँ पे फाउंडर्स डे एक बैले होता था, यू नो, एंड उस साल हो रहा था सम्राट अशोक, एंड दी बैले टीचर वाज मिस्टर नायर. ही वाज गोइंग अराउंड क्लास टू क्लास, देख रहे थे सम्राट अशोक को ढूंढ रहे थे.
अच्छा.
एंड दे केम टू आवर क्लास, उन्होंने बोला आप सम्राट अशोक बनेंगे.
वाह.
तो आई डिडंट हैव एनी से इन द मैटर.
ओके.
सो शुरुआत में इतना आसान नहीं था, यू नो, बिकॉज उसमें इंडियन बैले टाइप भी था और एक्टिंग भी थी और ये वो, और मुझे अभी भी याद है एक रोमांटिक सीन भी था, एंड आई वाज रियली रियली नर्वस.
Which class you were in that?
11th.
अच्छा, 11th.
Yeah, so it wasn't easy, but that was the start.
Yeah.
And then after that I started doing there was another play, Queen and I, अलग-अलग play. तो जो हमारी इंग्लिश टीचर थी मिसेस किरण भट्ट, वो मुझे काफ़ी इनकरेज करती थी कि यू शुड यू नो कीप गोइंग एंड ट्राई डूइंग इट. सो आई डिड अ कपल ऑफ डिफरेंट प्लेज अलग, लेकिन फिर भी हॉबी था, यू नो. दिमाग में ये था कि कॉलेज में हंसराज में मैंने हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स किया, तो दिमाग में ये था कि फॉरेन सर्विस ज्वाइन करना है, IAS के एग्ज़ाम देने हैं, फॉरेन सर्विस ज्वाइन करना है. लेकिन तो ये भी नहीं था कि कॉलेज आके प्लेज करने हैं. तो कॉलेज में ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी का किसी ने बोला कुछ मीटिंग, लेकिन मैं गया नहीं. फिर एक दो लड़कियां जाती हुई देखी, उन्होंने बोला आ रहे हो चलो कुछ देखते हैं. मैंने कहा चलो. तो वो बेसिकली लड़कियों के पीछे पीछे चल के वो ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी में चले गए और वहाँ पे फंस गए. सो दैट वाज हाउ दी काइंड ऑफ. एंड फिर कॉलेज में फिर वो ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी एवरी ईयर, यू नो, आई वाज doing one of the leads in the plays, and फिर third year में finally decide किया कि इसको career बनाते हैं. जो कहते हैं ना, if you make your hobby and you know your passion your job, you'll never have to work a day in the life. हालांकि वो गलत है कि काम बहुत किया है, बहुत काम होता है.
People say follow your passion, follow your passion.
So from there then I decided कि इसको career बनाते हैं.
And then I was reading about you. So then FTI was not into the acting school that time, and you know,
FTI was not. Yeah.
Then drama school. You never thought about that way?
ड्रामा स्कूल में बताता हूँ कि वहाँ पे नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा NSD होता था दिल्ली में.
of course.
लेकिन जो मेरा आइडिया था कि मैं घर से बाहर निकलना चाहता था, you know, and I wanted to get out the usual जो हम sheltered existence जीते हैं, you know, in the north, and I wanted to get on my own feet and all of that. So I wanted to go to a foreign school.
Okay.
मैंने कहा बाहर जाके पढ़ते हैं थोड़ा सा क्या है, you know.
Were you well to do? I was reading about you. So you were born on a charpai. Is it true?
Yeah.
Seriously, मतलब?
हाँ, बहुत ही seriously.
No hospitals.
गाँव में, yeah. So गाँव में कंझावला गाँव. I belong to कंझावला गाँव in outer Delhi. So I was born in the charpai. My father was a farmer and a teacher, and my grandfather was a teacher, principal of the school. So we come from very humble background, but then I was 3 years old जब my parents they immigrated to Canada. So 10 साल वहाँ पे थे, लेकिन फिर वापस आ गए थे 12-13 साल की उम्र में. But even when I went to Canada to study, very ऐसा नहीं था कि you know मुझे बैग भर के पैसा दे के भेज रहे थे.
So what were your parents doing in Canada at that time?
My dad had a store on one of the biggest streets over there is called Young Street.
Okay.
So वहाँ पे उनके पास एक फैशन स्टोर था. तो उस टाइम वो हिप्पी कल्चर बहुत चला हुआ था. इंडिया से क्लोथ्स बहुत फैशन में थे. तो यहाँ से वो इम्पोर्ट करके वहाँ पे
that Hare Rama Hare Krishna thing,
all the tie-dye stuff and all of that. So that we used to sell them through a shop over there.
Wow. क्या बात है. And I read about you. You were working up there in the stores and all those.
During college?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो मैं वही बोल रहा था. So जब एक्टिंग स्कूल गया मैं.
तो FTI नहीं किया आपने and then ड्रामा स्कूल नहीं किया?
में भी अप्लाई नहीं किया. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं अप्लाई करता तो मुझे ले लेते भाग के. मैं ये बिल्कुल नहीं कह रहा हूँ. ये नहीं है कि मैं, बट मुझे बाहर स्टडी करना था. एक तो बाहर स्टडी करना था, प्लस अपने खुद एक सिंगल एग्जिस्टेंस थोड़ा सा यू नो पैरों पे खड़ा होना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो जब मैं गया तो ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे किसी स्कूल में एक्सेप्ट कर चुके थे. मेरा 2-3 जगह मैंने ऑडिशन फिक्स किया था. उन दिनों में ये सब कैमरा फ़ोन वगैरह नहीं होते थे कि आप या वीडियो की आप अपना टेप बना के भेज दें उनके Zoom पे या व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दें. सो यू हैड टू गो एंड फिजिकली गिव द ऑडिशन. सो मैं फ्लाइट पकड़ के पेरेंट्स ने यू नो दे गेव माई द टिकट एंड एवरीथिंग एंड आई हैड in Toronto I had relatives, मेरे ताऊजी थे, so I stayed with him for a time. But then a couple of the auditions were, my first audition was in New York, the American Academy of Dramatic Arts.
Yeah.
And वहाँ पे मैंने you know audition दिया and they accepted me. They sent me a letter and everything, and you know
was the fees and all affordable? Was it scholarship at that time?
It wasn't. No, it wasn't. So I had to work. You know, so. मैंने अलग अलग कई काम किए. शुरुआत में मुझे एक बहुत ही अच्छे हिंदुस्तानी भाई मिल गए जो एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं, मिस्टर अनिल और एक और जो मिस्टर बलिंदर सिंह थे. उनके घर में कभी कभी खाने जाता था. तो इनके दुकान पे मैं वीकेंड्स पे, स्कूल काफ़ी बिजी रहते थे, वीकेंड्स पे मैं ग्रोसरी स्टोर पे उनका एक दुकान था, तो वो कैश रजिस्टर सैटरडे संडे मैं चलाता था. यू नो, तो उससे थोड़े बहुत पैसे मिलते थे. फिर मैंने एक सिक्योरिटी सर्विस, बोले तो कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी सर्विस ज्वाइन किया. और वो कंप्यूटर जो आजकल का है सॉफ्टवेयर, वो उसकी बात नहीं थी. न्यूयॉर्क में क्या होता था, चीज़ें चोरी होती थी बहुत.
ओके.
तो वो सिक्योरिटी सर्विस ये था कि आपका जो कंप्यूटर है उसको टेबल के साथ स्क्रू इन कैसे करना है, जो चीजें हैं, ताकि कोई उठा के ना ले.
Oh, it's not cyber
security. It's not cyber security. So you know, it was how to not let your hardware get stolen. So it's how to you put it into the table and all of that. So it can't be stolen. तो वो जो चीजें हैं वो मैं फोन पे बेचता था. You know, in this telemarketing firm, which was the worst because it's very hard to call up people and sell them, but I was pretty good at it. I used to make decent commission. What was interesting was that with that money I bought a cycle also. कि मेरे पैसे बच जाएंगे सबवे के आने जाने के, हर रोज का जो उस टाइम पे $3-4 लगते थे, उसके पैसे बच जाएंगे. वो साइकिल जो है, I used to, of course, sell stuff so people's stuff would be sold. वो जो साइकिल है वो तीसरे दिन ही चोरी हो गई. तीसरे दिन ही चोरी हो गई. उसका लॉक वगैरह तोड़ दिया. So New York that way at that time was pretty rough.
Were you like a proper like Manhattan?
Yeah. I was in Manhattan. Yeah.
अभी भी, I mean, New York, like now Brooklyn side of it, it's still थोड़ा messy.
Yeah, but, well, not that messy. Bronx is still messy.
Bronx,
Brooklyn is still become a little cool now.
The hoods and the cool gangs.
So, but that was a really great time because, literally, one was kind of carving. अभी तो बहुत सारे लोग जा चुके हैं बाहर school.
Yeah.
That time, literally, nobody had gone. तो ऐसा कोई नहीं था जिससे मैं पूछ के advice लेता या क्या. But
you had some Indian kids in the class?
None.
Oh.
None. Yeah. So none.
When I went to Oxford, we were talking about that.
Yeah.
So it was like nearly 47-48% were Indian kids.
Yeah.
And I was like, bro, this is not Oxford.
Yeah.
It's like Delhi.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Wow.
So-
Great. So you spent 2 years professional theatre
Yeah.
acting. It was theatre. It was not screen acting, right?
See, the thing is, everything comes from theatre, you know, so they tell you a little, but the whole point is that once you are prepared for the theatre, everything else comes from that. So it was basically theatre and voice and all kinds of different.
Got it. अभी बोलते हैं theatre acting अलग है and you
Yeah.
know screen acting अलग है, दोनों चीजें.
See, I'll tell you, लोग theories बहुत बनाते हैं, you know, theories बहुत बनाते हैं and अपने you can say intellectual बातें भी बहुत होती हैं.
Right.
I think it's very important to focus on what you're doing and not on the theories. लोग method acting भी बहुत बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
You know, every kind of acting is a method behind
Right.
it.
Right.
You know, some people say, oh, सिर्फ ये method है, बाकी जो बोलते हैं method. You know, that's very pseudo-intellectual, I find, that whole theory
Oh.
of, you know, so everything is a method. You know, it depends what works for you. हर actor के लिए कुछ अलग काम करता है. So for some people, there are some really brilliant actors who have never gone to acting school. You know, some people need to go to acting school. So it depends what works for you. You know, so even how you switch on, switch off, how you approach something, there's no right or wrong way. First of all, according to me, there's no secret sauce. It's all hard work. Because, see, if there was a secret sauce, अगर ऐसा कोई method होता, फिर हर role में आप brilliant होते. कि ये करना है, template है, और आप ये करेंगे तो brilliant होंगे.
Right.
You know, the thing is, every role, हर role जो है वो अलग approach मांगता है. And कई बार आप उसमें अच्छे होते हैं और कई बार नहीं होते हैं. But the main thing is trying, right? आपको नहीं मालूम कि लोग उसको कैसे, किस नज़रिए से देखेंगे फाइनली. अगर ऐसा तो होता तो हर फिल्म हिट होती, you know. So but the thing is, from my side, there is a certain way कि कैसे शुरुआत में थोड़ा अलग होता था, थोड़ा और उसमें डीप जाते थे, वो होते थे serious and you know, but it's like the more you
Background
do
of the
something, the background, and
character.
we still, you know, do that, but as you go along, वो चीज़ें थोड़ी सी और organic हो जाती हैं. They become a little, I don't want to say easier because nothing is ever easy, but you know kind of a little more कि कैसे उसको approach करना है. If I give you an example, is like Sachin Tendulkar at the beginning of his career,
Yeah.
you know, would work a little more on something, but once you've done it 1,000 times, it comes a little more naturally.
True.
You know,
So now it's not
I'm not
like,
comparing myself to Sachin Tendulkar.
You can.
I'm just saying.
You played for 20 years.
Yeah. I'm still playing.
And still playing. And there are 3 movies upcoming, right?
One OTT project and
Oh.
2 movies. Yeah.
क्या बात है. Great. So 20 years, I'm going to ask this question, but we'll come to that later on. So, okay, so so you said you started from a gaon. That gaon was in Haryana, Punjab, UP?
Delhi, outer Delhi.
Oh, it was outer
Kanjhaula.
Delhi. Okay.
Yes, Kanjhaula.
And then 3 years old, moved to Canada, and
Yeah.
then you did your education, 10 years there.
Yeah.
And then you
बहुत
started-
ठंड होती थी, by the way.
बहुत ठंड. Which
मैं
part of
किसी में-
Canada?
टोरंटो के पास एक जगह थी, city called Mississauga. It's
Okay,
like a sister
Mississauga.
city of Toronto.
Oh, great.
लेकिन अभी मैं देखता हूँ इतने सारे लोग जा रहे होते हैं और आजकल बुरा हाल है वहाँ पे कनाडा
it's
का
pretty minus
और
20s.
ठंड बहुत है. उस टाइम भी बहुत ठंड होती थी. You know, so I'm glad that हमारा देश इतना अच्छा कर रहा है कि लोगों को एक्चुअली जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. हालांकि फिर भी बहुत लोग जाते हैं. नहीं जाना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से.
पंजाबी, ask me.
Yeah, exactly.
Ask
आपके
me.
वहाँ से पंजाब से तो मेरे ख्याल से हर दूसरा आदमी ऑलरेडी कनाडा
It's
में है.
Canada for us.
Canada.
It's not
Yes.
Yeah. Great. So Canada happened, and then the film school happened. You grew up, and then
Still growing up.
Still growing up, and then were there some movies, dramas, some theater like professionally happening? Did it start to pay you that time?
Which
पैसे आने
time?
शुरू हो गए थे?
After-
College के बाद या immediately बाद?
See, college के बाद I immediately went to New York.
Yeah, that was US. Yeah.
So वहाँ पे स्टडी करते समय I did 3-4 plays also.
Okay.
They never paid anything. I mean
Okay.
वो सबवे के लिए 2 टोकन देते थे every day आने जाने के लिए.
अच्छा,
You know, so
oh.
it never really paid anything. And
Subway is metro for people. who
Metro,
don't
yeah,
know.
not
Or-
Subway restaurant,
Yeah,
Subway, the Metro.
Yeah.
So उस टाइम पे क्या था अभी आजकल there are many more Indians who are seen abroad on TV and media and everything. At that time there was not such a acceptance for diversity, if we want to call it or whatever. And that's how it is. I'm not saying that's a
That's
good
it
or
is,
bad
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
That's just how it was. So that's why I didn't stay on because I didn't feel there was a big, need for Indian actors at that time, and I came back. Yeah.
So after finishing the course, कितने साल आप और
मैं वहाँ पे टोटल 3 साल था उस टाइम न्यूयॉर्क में.
Yeah. You were ahead of the game. Now there's the need of an Indian, and I see like on all the big movies you see like Indian faces for
yeah,
sure,
there's some Indian
and there's
faces,
the Chinese or
Yeah.
Korean looking guy. I
Yeah,
mean, I was in Indonesia this morning, so all of us look the same.
Yeah,
But
okay.
but Hong Kong guy is different
Yeah,
from a Chinese guy
Chinese
for
guy,
sure. Oh great! So yeah, you were ahead of time. Superb. So and then you came to India.
Then I came back.
Did you go to Aram Nagar or what? was
नहीं,
it
I
that
didn't.
time?
मैंने एक्चुअली क्या किया, दिल्ली में मैंने अपना खुद का थिएटर कंपनी खोला.
अच्छा.
Called Urban Theatre Society. प्लेस करने के लिए अंग्रेजी प्लेस किए मैंने.
This is
4-5. This is 95.
95 में नाम अर्बन नाम भी एग्जिस्ट
Yeah,
करता था.
yeah.
Wow.
So Urban Theatre Society
Wow.
दिल्ली में. And 4-5 प्ले किए comedy type. I always liked, comedies and romantic comedies. And they did very well. We had a lot of full house shows and everything. But 1.5-2 साल वो किया. But, that's not what really, I felt the urge to grow and to move on. तो वो ख़त्म करके उसमें भी काफ़ी सारी कहानियाँ बहुत वो काम किया. एक
नहीं हमारा बहुत टाइम है.
हमारा एक प्ले था जो पहले वाला, उसमें बीच का सेट था.
अच्छा.
तो हमेशा मैंने रियलिज्म में थोड़ा सा बिलीव किया है.
अच्छा.
कि यार बीच का वो है तो सैंड होना चाहिए,
बिल्कुल होना
एक
चाहिए.
पेड़ होना चाहिए. कहीं तो कहाँ से लाओ यार, दिल्ली में है सैंड कहाँ से. तो फाइनली ये ध्यान में आया यार, यमुना पार वो यमुना के उधर किनारे पे होगा सैंड.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
तो मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ गया, अनिल शर्मा, एक जो मेरे साथ प्लेस में था. और सैंड, लेकिन वो नीचे जाना पड़ा और वो काफ़ी दूर से सैंड और बैग लेके गए हम. तो पहले हम एक बैग भर के गाड़ी तक मेन रोड तक लेके जा रहे थे. 2 बैग ले गए, हमने कहा यार ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. फिर टूट गई 2 मिनट में ऑलरेडी एक बैग ले जाके. तो उसने बोला कि मैं गाड़ी लाता हूँ.
अच्छा.
तो एक तरफ से खुश भी था गाड़ी लेके आया, लेकिन मैं एक तरफ से मैंने बोला यार कहीं वो ना हो जाए कुछ. तो वो गाड़ी भी लेके आया है, गाड़ी भी उसकी फंसी फिर सैंड में, टेम्पर वो सब. तो ये सब चीज़ें की हैं हमने, सैंड वैंड निकाल के. फिर पेड़ कहीं से मिला तो वो सब सेट वगैरह बनाया. बट पीपल रियली एंजॉयड दीज प्लेज, all of these stories of actually how we did it. And I think even ये जो plays हमने किए वो दिल्ली के लिए भी थोड़े से ahead of its, they were not used to it. Because people I think have always, for lack of a better word, कि जो आसान रास्ता है वो अपना लेते हैं. और उसको बोल देते हैं कुछ और कि this is, पैंटमा या कुछ और नाम दे देंगे. लेकिन बेसिकली ये था कि काम नहीं करना चाहते थे.
अच्छा. ओके.
So
Laziness
so that was a great time. And basically फिर जैसे हज़ारों लोग करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद ट्रेन पकड़ के मुंबई आ गए.
Wow.
Yeah.
How was that? I'm curious about that. How did Mr. Dabas became Mr. Dabas? And फर्स्ट रोल कैसे मिला? एंड वो जो बोलते हैं लाइन लगती है इंटरव्यूज के लिए, वो सब किया?
वो सब किया है. काफ़ी ट्रेन वेन्स में काफ़ी, I've never looked at that period, but I'll tell you, that is one of the best times of life. When you have nothing, but you have no responsibilities also. ये है कि ठीक है किराया देना था.
हाँ.
और एक पहले हफ्ते होटल में रहे, लेकिन उसके बाद एक वही जो मैंने अभी जो दोस्त का नाम लिया अनिल शर्मा, वो भी बॉम्बे आ गया था. वो हालांकि प्रोडक्शन साइड में एड फिल्म मेकिंग में. तो हम दोनों ने एक छोटा सा कमरा लिया पाली विलेज में.
अच्छा.
एंड शेयर किया. ज़्यादा किराया नहीं था तो इतना कुछ वो नहीं था. बट दे डिड नॉट गिव इट टू एक्टर्स. तो मैंने झूठ बोल दिया कि जी मैं भी एड एजेंसी में हूँ. वो तो था ही एड एजेंसी. मैंने कहा मैं भी एड एजेंसी में काम करता हूँ. तो सुबह हमको वो झूठ को सच बनाने के लिए सुबह 7:30-8 बजे निकलना पड़ता था, दिखाने के लिए कि जी मैं काम पे जा रहा हूँ. तो वो बाहर निकल के ट्रेन पकड़ के मैं गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया पे बैठता था. गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया पे बैठता था, कलाबा कॉजवे पे ऊपर नीचे घूमता था. और उन दिनों में दिस इज 97, सो इट्स जस्ट बिफोर मोबाइल्स वर जस्ट कमिंग इन. सो घूमते थे और इधर उधर जहाँ पे सबसे सस्ता खाना मिलता था वहाँ पे खाना खाते थे, वापस फिर जाते थे, फिर कोई फ़ोन आता था, फिर वापस। ये 5-6 महीने ये लिटरली ये किया है, यू नो। एंड इट्स रियली फनी। लेकिन उस टाइम पे टाइम पास करने के लिए वहाँ पे जहांगीर आर्ट गैलरी और ये सब आर्ट गैलरीज काफ़ी हैं, तो आई स्टार्टेड विजिटिंग आर्ट गैलरीज। मैंने यार टाइम है तो आर्ट गैलरीज कुछ
Oh,
कुछ
nice.
देखने का, कुछ तो वो सीखें। So I started watching, you know, and seeing different artists who were coming and different kinds of art shows, and I developed a kind of appreciation for art.
Oh, nice.
And तो जब मुझे काम मिलना शुरू हुआ in ads, I started getting ad work.
Okay.
Actually.
You were good looking from day
Oh,
one.
thank you.
Yeah. अभी भी हो आप, of
Thanks,
course.
thanks.
But yeah, those तो ऐसा देखते ही fall in love नहीं होता डायरेक्टर को, आ जा यार तो ही हमारा क्या बनेगा, अशोका.
अशोका yeah, so वो जब एड्स पहले मिलने शुरू हुए तो मैंने 1-2 पेंटिंग्स खरीदनी शुरू की. तो लोग समझते थे, ये बिलीव नहीं करते थे. मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैं एक प्ले कर रहा था और उसका जो हम ट्रेन में जा रहे थे, डायरेक्टर, एंड ही वाज ही हैड अ बुकलेट ऑफ वन आर्ट शो. तो आई टोल्ड हिम वो वाली पेंटिंग मैंने खरीदी है.
अच्छा.
He didn't believe me, हंसना शुरू हो गए, सर यार तू, you know, and all of that. I said really, so you know, then I clicked a picture of it, showed it to him, फिर वो चुप हो गए फिर.
Okay.
And they all, but that was you know, you can say a passion,
Appreciation towards art.
which just developed when I had no
Is it still there?
work.
You buy and
It is, but I
sell?
have no space left. So I bought a lot of paintings and
अच्छा, अभी house is
उस पे
full.
पैसे खर्च किए हैं काफी, लेकिन अभी जगह नहीं है.
अभी जगह
Yeah,
नहीं
अभी जगह
है.
नहीं है.
But that's a good business profession. Like a lot of people buy and
Yeah,
sell
of course,
painting,
of
then
course, yeah,
take it to the next level.
But I don't have the heart to sell them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't do with books.
They all
like-
have a story of when I bought and, you know, no money
Of
and all of
course.
that. Yeah.
Yeah. Great, yeah, great. So how did Dilligi happen? And I'm going to talk to Monsoon Ready. Monsoon Wedding. That was my.
Dilligi came from one of the ad film coordinators.
Okay.
So he said, "Ye film hai." And Sunny Ji is directing it. And, you know, it's the main bad guy. And whose time negative roles were in, you know, fashion also. So I said, ठीक है, you know, करके देख लेते हैं. So it was a great experience. I still remember, you know, Bobby was very warm and he was in the film as well. I know Pilla. So it was
Bobby's back in action now.
Yeah, he's back in action now. So he's always a great guy, you know. And Sunny Ji, I think, is a great director. He should direct more. Very, very good eye for direction and everything. Unfortunately, the film didn't do that well. So it didn't do anything for me. It was a great experience, though, and a great learning experience.
The songs are good, right?
Yeah,
the
songs and
like...
everything were good. It was great. I did a lot of car stunts and chase sequence and all of that. उसमें मजा आया काफी.
Great.
Yeah.
And Dilligi was one, and second one was after that.
Monsoon Wedding.
Oh,
Yeah.
great! Let's talk about that. I've got my notes about this. This is the movie which I also admire, and you know, I remember watching it like 2-3 times when it was there on those CDs, those pirated CDs in colleges, you know, copies. And I remember when वो पंजाबी songs का भी folder आता था.
आपने pirated देखा था पहले?
Sorry,
अभी 100 रुपए निकालो पहले. जो फिल्म का टिकट था उसके 100 रुपए निकालो.
तब मेरा 100 रुपए बजट भी नहीं होता था, मतलब you know, महीने का used to be 3,000 budget. My dad used to send, और 3,000 मेरे को अपना खाना पीना हॉस्टल किताबें मैनेज करनी है.
So in the same boat, I understand.
So 100 उस हिसाब के 100 रुपए तो मैं नहीं दे पाता उस समय तो.
But it's really funny, not well funny, but I almost didn't do that film because the day the casting director, Mrs. Uma Dakuna, fabulous lady, called me. You know, मैं जिम में था, and I was going to Baroda for a shoot that day for something. And she said, ऐसा, you know, Mira's doing. And at that time, it was supposed to be a very small film, and it was shot in a very, you know, different, very small budget way. But that time, it was even smaller when she called me. They were going to shoot it like a. उस टाइम पे VHS पे शूट होते थे शादीज. So they were going to shoot it like that, and you know that whole.
Oh.
Look, she said, you know, they're going to shoot it like that and this and that. So you know, and there's a role that I want to test you for. एक groom का role है जो main जो जिसकी शादी होती है, groom. So I said, you know, I would love to come, लेकिन मैं, you know, I'm in Bandra and she was all the way in town.
Okay.
So you know, and I've got a flight to Baroda. I can't cancel that shoot. I'll have to go home, change, and then come for the audition. So. You know, she said, okay, ठीक है, no problem what to do. But because I only have today and tomorrow, and I was going for 3-4 days, so, you know, next film. Then मैं phone रख रहा था, मैंने, you know, for like, within, you know, my head, thoughts were like, you idiot, this is Meera Nair. you know, like a cult filmmaker.
Yeah, and she was Meera Nair
She
by
was,
that.
yeah,
Yeah,
she was Meera Nair. You know, so I immediately put the phone back to my head. I said, Uma, मैं आ रहा हूँ, अभी आ रहा हूँ. I'll just come. मैंने put the phone down. तो मैं literally workout बनियान में था, shorts में था. मैं गाड़ी में रेस करता हुआ डायरेक्टली वहीं पे गया. मैंने चेंज वेंज करने का टाइम नहीं था. I went racing to town, gave the audition, raced back, and just about made my flight. You know, and then. So then, out of those auditions, whoever had auditioned, Meera was selecting some who, when she was coming, she would audition herself. Those people, you know.
Yeah.
So I was one of those people. So the first thing she asked is, "Were you the guy in the vest and the shorts?"
Oh.
So I was like, "Yeah." I was saying sorry. I said I was working out. I had to like rush and come. I'm sorry. So
Nice.
But yeah, so everything worked out well. I did an audition, and after 2-3 months, when they were selecting, you know, she called me up.
How was it like working with Lilith Dubey, Nasruddin? I mean, you
Oh,
name it.
amazing! It's one of the most amazing experiences ever, and I would say I'm very, very lucky to have had that experience at the beginning of my career. You know, जो learning एक experience होता है कि आप इतने stalwarts के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, मीरा नायर के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, और जो मीरा नायर का काम करने का तरीका है, it's very amazing and organic. You know, 2 हफ्ते तो rehearsals, you know, चल रहे थे, and all kinds of classes, and Nasir ji was doing a workshop and everything, and जो actual जो characters हैं और जो वो है relationships ऊपर, वो सब उसमें से निकल के आता है, and the cast gets more comfortable. It was really an amazing experience.
All stalwart. I mean, all of them are like.
Yeah.
Vijay is also doing.
Yeah, exactly. But at that time, he wasn't Vijay Raz.
Oh,
That was one of his first films also.
Oh wow.
You know, so it's really funny. But Mr. Paresh Rawal was supposed to do that role.
Yeah.
You know, so he had actually come for one of the dinners, but then उनके कुछ dates का वो था.
Instead of
And
Vijay.
Yeah, Vijay then came after that.
Acha, oh, okay.
Yeah, so then somebody, you know, suggested Vijay Raz's name, and a brilliant, great actor.
Kya baat hai,
So,
kya baat.
yeah.
And Tilotama is doing really good.
Tilotma
Now
is
she's
doing
like
great now.
The Netflix girl.
And,
every third
yeah.
movie she's
So one of the most amazing things also was Meera's mom used to cook for the cast. You know, her name's
wow.
Parveen also, and she used to cook for the cast. So हर दिन वो घर से मटन वगैरह कुछ न कुछ बना के लेके आते थे.
Yeah.
So it was really like a family atmosphere. You know, it wasn't like, plus you know, I wouldn't say budget, every film has a different budget, but it was really a family. You know, we were shooting quickly also, just I think 20-21 days or whatever it was.
The whole thing was shot.
Yeah, that we shot 20-25 days, so it was a really quick shoot as well in all of these different places. But the rehearsal really helps. So, you know, all of that time we spent in rehearsal, so it really helped. And there was always something special. एक क्या होता है जो emotion होता है ना, that was there in the film. And I think,
Yeah,
you know, that film, if you see, it really started the whole what people called crossover film, though I've never believed in that term.
Yeah.
You know, movement where independent films, जिनमें films में थोड़ी सी अलग हट के थोड़ी सी storyline थी, वो भी चल सकती थी.
Right.
You know, so yeah.
And when you were done with it, when you look back, like, were you happy with your role, or you said, "यार और अच्छा कर सकता था"? Do you feel so? Do you watch your movies, own movies?
I usually don't.
Oh, yeah?
Not immediately. It's funny you asked. Even now, जैसे अगर premiere होता है अभी right now also this film of mine, Sharma ji ki beti, I come beginning, then I go out. You know, I don't sit through the film.
Oh, is it?
I can't watch
Not
my
for
own.
your part also, कि अभी मेरा part आएगा.
Especially for my own part.
Oh,
It's not like I don't want to watch. I want to watch the others. I just don't want to see myself. Because I don't want to get into that, see, critique, and you're over analyzing, you're over conscious. I think the beginning at that time is the wrong time to watch yourself, at least for me. तो मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, 3-4 ड्रिंक पीता हूँ, कुछ खाता हूँ और फिर फिल्म के एंड में दोबारा आता हूँ.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah, you know.
I was there.
I'm here every year. So that's how I literally, and even during Monsoon Wedding, I didn't watch it till much later. We went for all of these premieres all over, but you know, I prefer watching it.
I was reading about your article. I think you published this last year somewhere. It was there, and we were talking about the whole experience of going to Cannes.
Venice.
Sorry,
Venice Film
Venice.
Festival,
Yeah.
yeah.
It was the Golden.
The Golden Lion.
Golden
yeah,
Lion.
So it's really amazing. See, जब हम लोग Venice गए थे, तो we were nobodies.
Yeah.
Literally.
Even Meera Nair.
See, Meera Nair was known, but it's not like, see, we were coming with this huge film, which had some huge. So interesting चीज़ ये है कि जब हम वेनिस गए, हमारी फिल्म जो है वो एक फिल्म थी हज़ारों में से, एंड कोई, मीरा वॉज अ नेम, लेकिन बाकी किसी को कोई जानता नहीं था। छोटी सी फिल्म थी, ना ही किसी ने मॉनसून वेडिंग के बारे में कुछ सुना हुआ था। एंड ऐसे हमारा एक छोटा सा एक पोस्टर लगा हुआ था एक कोने में। इतने बड़ी बड़ी फिल्म्स, हॉलीवुड की बड़ी बड़ी फिल्म्स, यू नो
Massive
ह्यूज
banners.
बैनर्स एंड दिस एंड दैट, एंड ह्यूज स्टार्स वर कमिंग, एंड उन सब के वो लगे हुए थे। एंड हमारा एक छोटा सा एक कोने में एक पोस्टर लगा हुआ था,
6
किसी
by
को नहीं
6
मालूम
का।
था। सो उस टाइम ज़्यादा बजट भी नहीं था। मैं एक बेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट में रुका हुआ था। नोबडी न्यू ऑफ कोर्स हु, इट वाज लाइक अ बेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट लिटरली। एंड हम एक पब्लिक का शो हो रहा था सुबह, जब हमारा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रहा था।
ओके।
तो प्रेस वाले ऑलरेडी एक दिन पहले देख रहे थे। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कुछ ऐसा नहीं लगा कि उनको बहुत अमेजिंग लगा या कुछ ऐसा, बट वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ख़त्म हुआ और हम सब पैदल वापस होटल जा रहे थे। ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कोई हमारे लिए 10 गाड़ियाँ आई हैं, और
अच्छा,
हम पैदल ही जा रहे थे वापस। और एक जगह से जा रहे थे और तालियां बजनी शुरू हो गई उधर उधर, एंड ब्रावो ब्रावो बलिस्मा बलिस्मा। लोग तो हमने कहा, देखा यार कौन सा स्टार आ गया, कौन सा हॉलीवुड स्टार है, कौन है, हम
किधर देख रहे हैं?
तो फिर उन्होंने बोलना शुरू किया, मॉनसून वेडिंग बलिस्मा बलिस्मा मॉनसून वेडिंग। सो बेसिकली द पीपल, द पब्लिक जो फिल्म देख रहे थे, वो बाहर आके उन्होंने पहचाना हमको, एंड स्ट्रीट में उन्होंने हमारे लिए चिल्लाना शुरू किया।
क्या बात।
सो दैट वाज अ रियली अमेजिंग मोमेंट, द फर्स्ट टाइम वी रियलाइज कि लोगों को ये फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है,
Right.
और इतने उससे लग रही है। तो वहाँ से लिटरली अगर मैं थोड़ी फिल्मी बात करूँ तो फिल्म में आग लग गई, तो सबको इतनी अच्छी लगी। एंड फिर प्रेस ये वो,
You become a star, like an overnight star. वाली
See,
feeling
हम
आई?
कहीं पे भी जाते किसी भी क्लब में, तो हमारे दरवाजे खुल रहे होते थे कि मॉनसून वेडिंग वाले क्रू वो आई है कास्ट। So all of a sudden we were, the flavor of the
That
town.
movie was ahead of the game. Oh, ahead
Yeah,
of time as well,
yeah,
right?
it was, and I have to give. I mean, Mira's a brilliant director, and Sabrina, the writer. Her whole idea of this, typical है तो शादी की फिल्म ना,
Yeah.
but with a twist, to make it like modern.
It gets really emotional towards the end.
So that film played all over the world. कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से जहाँ पे वो फिल्म ना चली हो. They did brilliantly in America. The first time, like an Indian, film was being watched by Western audiences.
Was it taken by Indian audience in a good way कि यार ये क्या बातें कर रहे हैं यार ये तो?
See, उस फिल्म में कुछ ऐसा नहीं दिखाया कि and see, कुछ लोगों की आदत है हर चीज़ की बुराई करने की. एक दो लोगों ने बोला, अरे वो बच्चा उसमें कीचड़ में खेल रहा है, क्यों दिखा रहे हैं उसको? There's nothing that was shown which was, you know what I mean? I think everything was shown in a very beautiful way, and it showed both sides, but it showed modern India. It was, I think, the first film which showed modern India and modern India problems. कि बंदा है गोल्फ कोर्स पे खेल रहा है, लेकिन अपनी लड़की की शादी के बारे में सोच रहा है फिर भी, और पैसे इकट्ठा कर रहा है. So I think it was a really, really
20 साल पहले गोल्फ कोर्स में खेलने वाले भी गिने चुने लोग होते थे.
Yeah, exactly. तो कोई भी आप फिल्म करो, देखिए वो naysayers, critics तो होंगे ही.
Right.
So you can't always worry about what they are going to say. But I think she made an amazing.
Are you guys in touch? अभी भी you guys?
Yeah,
Vasundhara Das
I
and all,
just
are
in
you?
fact bumped into her at the Mumbai Film Festival when she had
nice.
come.
Do you
So-
thank her like yaar?
Of
Meera?
course,
Oh,
of
wow.
course, all the time. Because I think that was such an amazing start, to a career for that kind of to get that kind of an opportunity to learn.
Another one of my favorites. I mean, everyone's favorite is Khosle Ka Ghosla. This was really my. That was another song which I used to play. I was a little bit grown up that time. So.
Chak De Bhatte.
Oh God! And the picturization of the song was very funny. You were also moving around on the bicycle. I was singing this morning and I was trying to recollect इसका वो कैसा था.
Yeah.
And I was reading the comments, and people are saying, "Oh, it's still my favorite song. It should be redone, relaunched." अभी आज सुबह की बात. And these comments were latest. ऐसा नहीं कि 5 साल पहले.
फिल्म अभी भी चल रही है.
अब भी चल रही है.
Yeah.
I remember that यहाँ पेशाब करना बना है. Oh my God. Dipankar Banerjee.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
He was. How was he? मतलब at that time. Now he's done like.
See, I'll tell you another interesting story. He didn't want to cast me.
अच्छा. Oh.
Yeah, he didn't want to cast me. So उनका जो असिस्टेंट था, जतिन, उनके साथ में एक फिल्म कर चुका था. तो he told him, से आप मिल लो. सो दिवाकर ये मुझे बाद में पता चला, उसने खुद बताया मेरे जब मिलने गया. सो एनीवे, सो जतिन कॉल्ड मी एंड सेड ऐसे ऐसे एक फिल्म है एंड डायरेक्टर से मैं मीटिंग कर दूँ. मैंने कहा ठीक है. फिर वो गायब हो गया. 3 महीने बाद दोबारा फ़ोन आया. तो ही सेड वो डायरेक्टर अभी भी वो मीटिंग सेटअप करता हूँ. मैंने कहा ठीक है. मैं मिलने गया तो दिवाकर वाज ऑल लाइक Jatin thinks I should meet you, but I didn't want to meet you. I don't think you're right for this film.
He said that?
Yeah, so I don't think you're right for this film. And I was, so, but he insisted. So,
but it was his debut, uska first movie tha na?
Chobi, which is fine. See,
okay.
That is a good thing to have, confidence and be sure of what you want, I guess.
Yeah.
So he said, audition, I want to audition you. So I said, ठीक है. So he said, let's do it now, we'll do audition. So I said, आपको अच्छा ऑडिशन चाहिए या जल्दी ऑडिशन चाहिए?
अच्छा.
So he said, नहीं मुझे, फिर वो थोड़ा हो गया, नहीं मुझे अच्छा चाहिए. So I said, फिर मैं कल आऊँगा.
Good.
Yeah, so मैं कल आऊँगा, थोड़ा सोच. So I came back the next day and उसने 4-5 पेज दिए मुझे. And I still remember audition में वो था and Jaideep Sahni, the writer, was there.
अच्छा, it was Jaideep Sahni. I did a workshop with him.
Yeah.
People
Brilliant.
don't know Jaideep Sahni ने चक दे भी लिखी है.
Brilliant, very humble, but
amazing,
brilliant writer, very rooted. जो कहते हैं ना, जो बिल्कुल धरती से जुड़े होते हैं, उस टाइप का बंदा भी है और राइटर भी है.
बिल्कुल यार.
So उसने बोला अभी जो सीन्स मैंने दिए वो नहीं करेंगे, ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा वो करेंगे, क्या कहते हैं उसको, इम्प्रॉम्प्टू. हाँ, ऑल ऑफ दैट, इम्प्रोवाइजेशन जो सबको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है शब्द. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. ही थॉट ही वाज गोना थ्रो मी ऑफ और समथिंग.
अच्छा.
सो ऐसे ठीक है. सो वो हमने इम्प्रोवाइजेशन शुरू किया. वो 5-10 मिनट तक चलता गया. वो कुछ बोलता गया, सीन चलता गया उसने. और वो भी उसने जो सीन है कुछ फिल्म से नहीं था बिल्कुल, कुछ और ही थोड़ा सा बट फादर सन रिलेशनशिप को थोड़ा सा लेके वो अलग ही वो किया. और वो चलता गया 5-10 मिनट. सो व्हेन इट फिनिश्ड ही सेड, जो ये कैरेक्टर है अभी तक मैं इसको ऐसा नहीं देखता था, लेकिन अभी मैं इसको ऐसा देखता हूँ. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप करो. मैंने कहा ठीक है, अब मैं सोच के बताऊंगा कि मुझे करना है या नहीं.
Did you say this?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
So when you meet Diwakar, you don't ask him like, तूने किया था मेरे साथ?
नहीं, not at all. See, these are he didn't do anything which I felt he's doing or saying anything. Yeah. These things are all par for the course, and I never felt bad. I felt a director has to be very, very sure. बाद में मुझे पता चला कि जो 3 महीने का गैप था उसमें उसने बहुत सारे लोगों को ऑडिशन किया और खुश नहीं था. और ये वन ऑलमोस्ट फाइनलाइज्ड ऑन समबडी, जो मुझे बाद में पता चला. एंड देन डिसाइडेड नहीं, आई एम नॉट श्योर येट. एंड देन स्टिल
जब बना रहे थे लग रहा था ये वैसा बनेगा, इतना कल्ट मूवी हो जाएगा. आई रेड इट समवेयर 20 years का बेस्ट मूवी, लाइक 2 decade का बेस्ट मूवी एंड व्हाट नॉट.
सी, कभी भी आपको ये नहीं मालूम होता कि फिल्म कितनी अच्छी जाएगी. ऐसा नहीं था. हमको ये था कि स्पेशल है, अच्छी फिल्म है, अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, लेकिन चलेगी नहीं चलेगी किसी को नहीं मालूम होता. उस टाइम तो ये भी था रिलीज़ भी हो गई यानी, बिकॉज इतने शूटिंग के दौरान भी इतने प्रॉब्लम्स थे, झटके भी या काफ़ी लगे हैं शूटिंग के दौरान भी. लेकिन आई हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट टू सविता जी ऑल्सो, हु इज़ द प्रोड्यूसर of really, and Anupam ji for really keeping the morale of the cast and crew together and getting through the shoot also. So
was it like budgetary constraint or
various problems, let's just
like
say that
the movie problems,
like the movie problems, so various problems, but कैसे भी करके वो फिल्म का शूट खत्म किया. And then it took another 2-3 years in various problems and issues and legal issues and this and that. But the good thing was, whoever knew the film from the beginning, कुछ उसके ये थे कि कुछ उसके लवर्स थे उस फिल्म के, जिन्होंने हमेशा उसको पुश किया. एंड देन इवेंचुअली UTV bought the film and they had really loved it, and they released it in a
Ronnie has saved many movies right now.
So they released it in a really good way and they understood the film also. So
everybody like Boman Irani's part and
everybody's part was, I think,
Anupam Kher's part was,
the characterizations. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, जो जयदीप जैसे जो राइटर है वो कभी आते हैं. he's a very brilliant writer, you can say.
True. I remember doing a workshop with him This was by Times of India. It was in Lonavala. So he explained the whole Chak De concept. He actually spent time with those Indian cricket team women. And he explained a small scenario in which he was saying वो लड़कियों के पास इतना भी arrangement नहीं था if they want to change their clothes. So you know जैसे वो आपने बाहर देखा होगा if there is a baby being born तो ऐसे साड़ी खोल के खड़े होते हैं तो 4 लड़कियां साइड में खड़ी होती थी and then used to change that as well. And there was not even money for the t-shirts. तो he said जयदीप ने जब वो रिसर्च कर रहा he said I actually went and I said मैं पैसे लेके आऊँगा आपके लिए. And that actually was a transformation for the Indian cricket team at that time. He was explaining us.
Hockey team, you mean?
Hockey team. Sorry. The Indian hockey team. So it was very, very emotional. The way he was explaining how he get to the roots. He said I spent 40 days with the camp of the women and saw their problems and how they fight as well. If you've seen the movie.
Of course I've seen the movie several times.
Several times.
Super. But you can feel that in the film then when somebody has gone into depth. Then वो film में पता चलता है और इनके साथ भी दिवाकर और जयदीप के फैमिली कहीं ना कहीं के साथ भी ये हुआ था सो
स्टोरी नहीं आती है
तो स्टोरी नहीं आती है
दो जयदीप इज इंजीनियर फ्रॉम गुरु नानक देव यूनिवर्सिटी पंजाब
एग्जैक्टली
I'm just trying to connect the dots so far in your journey. So बहुत हम आगे बढ़ चुके हैं विलेज कनाडा पढ़ाई लिखाई यूएस न्यूयॉर्क एंड देन कमिंग बैक टू इंडिया धक्के खाए 6 महीने काम पहली जॉब मॉन्सून वेडिंग तक पहुंच गए उसके बाद दिल लगी फिर
धक्के नहीं खाए मैं कभी भी उसको धक्के खाना नहीं समझता मैं उसको लर्निंग समझता हूँ क्यों मैं वही कह रहा था कि दैट टाइम जब आपके ऊपर इतने कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ नहीं है उस टाइम एक्चुअली कम टेंशन होता था यू हैड नथिंग कहीं पे घूमते थे कहीं पे जाते थे 10 रुपये में खाना खा लेते थे कहीं भी देयर वाज अ सर्टन joy in being free at that point of time and I always looked at it I never looked at it as a negative experience मेरे लिए जो लोग जिसको struggle बोलते हैं वो कभी भी negative experience नहीं रहा है वो हमेशा एक learning रहा है हमेशा कि आप कोई भी चीज़ से गुजर रहे हैं कोई भी वो हमेशा learning होना चाहिए
और वो चाहिए भी होता है
वो चाहिए होता है exactly वो कहते हैं ना वो जो लोहा गर्म होता है और वो and all of that. So if you have not been through testing times, then you cannot be ready for them later.
True.
So you always so whenever and it's because of times like that if I go through a time I think I'm much more calmer. मुझे मालूम है कि ये टाइम भी जाएगा हमेशा बुरा वक्त नहीं रहता है. You just have to sit through it.
Great. So Monsoon Wedding is done, Costa Costa is done. You are a star, like you are always doing good. I have a question. Like you are a good-looking guy, of course. I'm asking you this again.
Oh, thank you.
And you are still a good-looking guy. Are good looks like important in cinema per se, or?
See, I'll tell you, there is no fixed rules for anything.
Yeah.
Right? ऐसा नहीं है कि आप good-looking हैं तो आप चल जाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अच्छे एक्टर हैं तो आप
अशोक सम्राट तो आप ही बने थे.
हाँ अशोक सम्राट तो मैं ही बना था लेकिन उसके पीछे हार्ड वर्क भी है काफ़ी उसके पीछे कहीं ना कहीं लक भी है यू नीड आई थिंक अ गुड डोज
पर एक एज तो है आप मानते हो
किस में
having good looks and you will become an actor or hero in
yeah of course see the world likes good looking people you can get away with a lot more. I think I've gotten away especially during my single days with a lot of bullshit because of whatever so you can get away with a lot you can say. I remember in my single days girls used to tell me this one or two to that you can get away with a lot because nobody can ever be angry with you. I said I always remember that. It's an important thing to know. So but like I was saying किसी भी चीज़ की गारंटी नहीं होती किसी के लिए भी चाहे आप कहीं से भी आए हो किसी भी चीज़ की गारंटी नहीं होती उसमें लक भी होता है हार्ड वर्क तो होता ही होता है because you cannot expect कि मैं बैठा रहूँगा और मेरे पास चीज़ें आएंगी. So you have to be prepared for opportunities when they come and you have to be smart enough to know about the opportunity when it comes. So everybody's career depends upon chance, it depends on choices कि जिस वक्त आपको फिल्म ऑफर हुई है वो आपने एक्सेप्ट की है. कई बार बिजी होते हैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते कोई और फिल्म की शूटिंग चल रही है. So there's a lot of फैक्शंस तो उन चीज़ों के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं हूँ ना ही ओवर एनालाइज करता हूँ. मैं यही देखता हूँ कि मैंने हाँ किस चीज़ को की है.
Did you actually plan it कि मेरे को बड़े roles ही करने हैं? You know, they say like when you do an acting course in Bombay, they say like कोई भी role छोटा नहीं होता है. You leave a mark.
Which is true also. See, another thing is कि जब फिल्म से पहले आपको नहीं मालूम कि वो फिल्म कैसा है, वो रोल कैसा होगा, उसके एक्सिक्यूशन के ऊपर है, डायरेक्टर के ऊपर है. That's why I'm saying there's a lot of things which you know depend on the on the director and the intentions and how the whole film comes together as well.
You're just connecting the Meera Nair was there. I mean, Nasruddin Shah is there. Then Anupam Kher is there, and then you worked with Shah Rukh Khan as well.
Yeah.
So did you plan these things?
No, you can never plan these things.
Shah
Like I
Rukh
said,
Khan in your life.
See, touch wood, I knew Shah Rukh Bhai a little from before because
nice.
Gauri was in our school.
Oh, okay.
And Shah Rukh Bhai was a senior of mine from college, though I didn't know him that much, but he had directed us in a choreography thing and everything. So, but it's not like I reached Bombay and called him up ki Shah Rukh Bhai main aa gaya hu. I didn't know him that well, but I knew him enough that when we first worked together, we talked about, school and college, and because we had some common friends and everything.
Oh, great.
Yeah, the same Anil Sharma who I was talking about.
Anil Sharma
is constant everywhere. Yeah. अभी कहाँ है मुझे मालूम नहीं है अभी out of touch है but he was a constant.
उनको भेजना है वाला maybe you'll be able to find his phone number and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
Super. And how is it working with let's say give like 30 seconds or 1 minute to each of these stalwarts. Say Nasruddin Shah, like legend. I've also met him in my life. Spent nearly a week's time.
See, I'll tell you one thing. You don't. What is special about what we call stalwarts is their passion for their work. You know what I mean? What you realize is they are who they are because they're very passionate. Even somebody like Shah Rukh Bhai he works overtime. There's not a time where he says, "Abhi main thak gaya hu, rest karte hain." It's the passion they bring to the job of wanting to excel. That each and every shot, each and every thing should be as good as possible, which is great because that's the only thing in our hands. ना हमारे हाथ में क्या है कि जो भी काम कर रहे हैं वो अच्छा से अच्छा आप करो. उसके बाद फिल्म चले ना चले किसी को मालूम नहीं होता. But you all try your best.
True. Super, great. And Anupam Kher, AC भी चलाओ थोड़ा सा गर्मी हो रही है. We're going to talk a little bit. मजा आ रहा है सर?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
So let's talk about Anupam Kher. How was it working with him? One of the legendary actors again, FTI.
Yeah, brilliant. He's such an amazing human being and. If I can say good friend as well, though he's my senior, but I have I've done about 3-4 films with him. This one also recently where we shot some stuff together right now for the Room. And of course he's an amazing actor, brilliant actor and brilliant human being as well. हमेशा बहुत मज़ा आता है उनके साथ सेट पे रह के क्योंकि क्या होता है कई बार बाकी सब लोगों को आप उतना जानते हैं नहीं जानते हैं कोई बात करता है ज़्यादा कोई ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता और मैं जिस किस्म का बंदा हूँ मैं थोड़ा स्लोली ओपन अप करता हूँ लोगों के साथ तो लेकिन अनुपम जी के साथ क्या है वो शुरुआत में ही इज़ इंस्टेंटली लाइक very friendly and talks and does various things and I have to say a large part of the credit of Khosla being finished I would give it to him. The fact that he kept the cast and crew together, he told them you finish shooting, don't just let it be बाद में वो फिर एक बार फिल्म रुक जाती है तो रुक जाती है. He really pushed them to make sure that the film is finished and he kept the morale of the the cast and crew.
How was he the dad in the movie Khosla? It was funny.
Of course, he was. The thing is, during the film, it was because I was so much into and it's really funny. Once I still remember writing something about my character, and देख रहे थे कि क्या लिख रहा है. मैंने कहा सर कुछ ऐसे दिखा तो I showed it to him. He just so he said very nice and there was one more scene in which वो जब पुलिस स्टेशन में है और वो पुलिस के अंदर होते हैं और वो मेरा झगड़ा होता है पुलिस वाले के साथ. So after the shot he was like आज तो तेरे अंदर अमिताभ बच्चन का भूत घुस गया. So he's always very very giving and very entertaining always to work with and a great person to have around, So
let's talk about the more interesting ones with due respect to all these legends. You also worked with Sunny Leone. and in Ragini MMS2, and she was the most searched, the Googled person on. I don't know why did people Google her so much.
I wonder why. I wonder why. I have no idea.
I think it was 2019 or 2020 for consistently 2 years. But yeah, so how was the MMS2?
Yeah, fine. It's all right.
It's good.
It's all right.
How's Sunny Leone as an actor, as per co-actor?
Yeah, she's cool. I'll tell you an interesting story about the film.
Okay.
मेरे जो दोस्त हैं उन्होंने कभी परवाह नहीं की परवीन दोस्त है क्या फिल्म आ रही है क्या फिल्म नहीं आ रही है उनको कुछ पड़ी नहीं आ रही परवीन ये वो ठीक है ये मिलते रहते हैं. पहली बार जिंदगी में जब रागनी MMS Part 2 आ रही थी पहली बार जिंदगी में उन्होंने कहा यार तेरी फिल्म देखनी है तो प्रीमियर पे आना है तेरी फिल्म देखनी है. सबके सब लाइन में लग गए तेरी फिल्म देखनी है. और फिल्म देखने के बाद उनकी आंखों में मेरे लिए जो इज्जत ऑलवेज बनी पहली बार कि
भाई सही
यार भाई सही जा रहा है
हीरो बन रहा है तू.
So,
भाई ने कुछ कर दिया.
भाई ने कर किया है कुछ.
This is going to get controversial, but nevertheless, great. So let's bring Preeti in the picture. So how did you meet Preeti? And now she's a co-founder with us. You both running business. So I'm going to talk about your love life to getting married, how this courtship period lies, and again, what's your advice on love to these people? You are still standing strong. It's been how many years?
15 since we've been married.
15, and with kids now. With 2 kids. Wow.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that. Let's go back first. So when did Preeti come into picture? You're already in Bombay. You've done Khosla Ghosla.
Yeah.
Preeti has done Mohabbatein now?
Yeah, Preeti had
has
done
done
Mohabbatein. And so funny, I had gone with some friends to see Mohabbatein, and that time शुरुआत में भी वो छुई मुई वाला गाना चलता था काफ़ी सारा. You know, and quite a few of other Preeti's films, but it's really funny that actually मेरा और प्रीति का मिलना एक गलती थी, you can say.
Okay.
गलती थी because हम कभी मिले नहीं थे और डब्बू रत्नानी के शादी में you know she was waving out, you know, saying hi दूर से, you know, और मुझे लगा कि वेव कर रही होगी किसी को, मैं तो मिला नहीं हूँ.
अच्छा.
नहीं मैं जानता हूँ. और मैंने कहा ये ना हो कि मैं हेलो बोलूं और पीछे से कोई निकल के हाय बोले और मेरी दिल्ली वाला जो वो है ना KLPD वो हो जाएगा. तो मैं बस ऐसा बैठा था. मैंने कहा इधर उधर देखूं कौन है किसको. So finally she left then, you know, and I looked back और मेरे पीछे ऐसे एक दीवार थी. So I said oh shit, she was saying hi to me, you know, and she's going to think बड़ा बदतमीज लड़का है, you know, मैं hi बोल रही हूँ. And so I found her later, you know, and I said I'm damn sorry, आप you know hello बोल रहे थे और मैंने वापस जवाब नहीं दिया. मुझे लगा आप किसी और से बोल रहे हो. She said I'm sorry, मुझे लगा हम पहले मिले हैं. I said पहले वैसे नहीं मिले हैं, but you know hi, and she said hi and she left. Okay. So that was it, you know. So वही मैं कह रहा हूँ हमारा जो पहला जो मिलना था वो गलती था एक.
And
then we did afterwards, I think after a year or something, or year and a half, we did a film together.
In between, no contact.
No, no contact. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, it was like I said, a mistake, you know, kind of. We did this film with Love Tumhara, and उस दौरान पे ऐसा नहीं था कि you know we were opposite each other, but and like I said, I open up to people. You know, it takes me time. So मैं अपने photography वगैरह का शौक में था. मनाली में शूट कर रहे थे. तो मुझे टाइम मिलता था, मैं हाइकिंग चला जाता था, फोटोग्राफी ले रहा होता था सेट्स वगैरह पे.
जानवरों की फोटो लेते थे.
जानवर लिटरली, you know, ये दिस एंड दैट,
इंसेक्ट्स
एंड मधुमक्खी, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा होता था. सो इट वाज रियली फनी. एंड हम बीच में हमारे टेबल टेनिस के भी टूर्नामेंट्स चलते थे. पूरा कास्ट एंड क्रू यूज्ड टू प्ले टेबल टेनिस, प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, मी एंड एवरीबडी. सो we used to play table tennis also afterwards, but you know I never really spoke. So एक बार मुझे याद है शरद सक्सेना भी जी उसमें थे, and he was playing. There was a boy Nakul, his father. So Preeti's father-in-law, he played in that film.
Okay.
So मैं ऐसे जैसे दरवाजे के बाद कोने ऐसे है और ये यहाँ पे कोई सीन था, वो हॉस्पिटल बेड में बैठे थे प्रीति उनके साथ और मैं ऐसे बाहर था. तो बोलते वो जो लड़का है परवीन वो थोड़ा सा मुझे वो लगता है. हाँ कि कभी मधुमक्खी की फोटो खींच रहा होता है, कभी किसकी, वो थोड़ा ठीक है यार, थोड़ा वो ऐसे ही है, वो पागल सा है. तो प्रीति didn't say anything.
Literally say पागल सा है.
He didn't say पागल सा है, wrong, but something to the effect.
Okay,
you know
okay.
कि पता नहीं कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता है ऐसे, फोटो खींचता रहता है, क्या है, because see you're not used to, you know, the I guess actor being, you know, doing that kind of whatever stuff. So मुझे टाइम मिलता था, मैं वही हाइकिंग पहाड़ों में चला जाता था,
अकेले निकल
जाता था हाइकिंग वगैरह करने. सो उनको लगता था कि कुछ खराब होगा कुछ. So anyway, I overheard that, but I didn't never told them that I heard it.
Okay.
But so during that film also we never really spoke. It's only during the promotion of the film that we started, you know, talking, and she realized, I guess, what a great guy I am, and
oh my God,
started hanging out.
Wow.
So that's how kind of then we, you know,
so
started
it's like
hanging
post
out.
the film when you spend more time with the actors or actresses than on the set.
क्या है, फिर प्रमोशन करते थे, कहीं मैं जा नहीं सकता था ना, कहीं पहाड़ वगैरह नहीं थे, फिर तो बॉम्बे में थे.
यहाँ ही बैठना
तो
है
कहीं स्पॉट जाना था तो बात करना ही था फिर.
This mall, that
There was
mall.
nowhere else for me to go.
Great. So did you, like, you proposed her, she proposed you?
Oh, I proposed to her.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I proposed to her.
Was it like a filmy, like
kind of,
ring
yeah,
and on
kind
the
of
knees?
all of that, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, all of
nice.
that, yeah.
I'm going to ask her. I'm going to be meeting her as well.
Yeah.
Like, is it?
So I'll leave a little mystery so you can ask her
Oh, wow.
the rest of it.
That's superb. Great.
Yeah.
So Preeti happened, and then you got married like 6 months, 1 year?
Oh, 2 years after.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So all families coming into picture.
Yeah.
So you are like Punjabi? I'm
Jat.
You're Jat.
Yeah.
Jat is like Haryana roots?
जाट एक्चुअली, अच्छा आपने पूछा, जाट एक्चुअली हर जगह से होते हैं, वो सिर्फ हरियाणा के नहीं है, वो दिल्ली में भी हैं, जो मैं दिल्ली से हूँ जाट, हरियाणा पंजाब में भी जो जट हैं, वो जाट हैं जिन जो यू नो हिंदू टू सिखिज्म,
करेक्ट,
वो हो गए, राजस्थान, यूपी, हर जगह जाट होते हैं. जाट एक्चुअली पाकिस्तान में भी हैं. जाट एक्चुअली मुसलमान जाट भी हैं, हिंदू जाट भी हैं.
अच्छा.
So Jat is actually a tribe and not a caste per se.
Oh, अच्छा.
You can say.
That's great. So
Yeah.
you're Jat, and she was?
She's Sindhi.
She's
not
Sindhi.
was, is Sindhi.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm just.
We didn't convert her to Jatism. Yeah, she's still a Sindhi.
Okay, she's still a Sindhi, of
Yeah.
course, of course. There was no like family stuff. के Sindhi क्यों है, Jat ही चाहिए.
नहीं, you mean there's from her side there wasn't
There
कि
was
also कि जाट, अच्छा जाट से शादी करी, no. There was none of that kind of
And
stuff.
nothing from your side was
Yeah.
like and happy. Great. So
They were just very happy I'm getting married. At that point of time, I think they would be like, you know, because I had been single for a long time.
अच्छा.
And I was enjoying my single life.
Yeah.
And parents weren't happy that I was enjoying my single life. You know, I don't think any parent is happy watching their, you know, son or daughter enjoy single life too much. हमारे इंडिया में at the end of the day ये ना कि इतना यहाँ से वहाँ घूमेगा तो शादी कौन करेगा? You know, there was that kind of a...
There has to be time.
So I was enjoying my single life a lot. So they were really, really happy
Superb.
that I was getting married, and to such a sweet, you know, they really, I think they still love her much more than probably me. So
Really?
it's fine.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. What's the secret sauce? ये हमारे 20-21 साल के लोग हैं, अभी तो शादी करनी नहीं है लोगों को.
Yeah.
तो but what went right? Is it like finding the right partner, or is it like रिश्ते ऊपर बनते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं
एक किस्म से बनते ऊपर ही है मेरे ख्याल से.
Okay.
But I think again there's no secret sauce. I think the secret is knowing when to be quiet and you know, let things ride, and when to say something and how to say it.
Oh, okay. And
Yeah.
how to say it.
And how to say it.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll be
And that comes with experience. You know, I would say that comes with experience. ऐसा नहीं है कि we learn, we know
But you
from the very
come
beginning.
across a very gentleman, like very, very. First
But I
to
have
say
my
sorry.
Jat side as well.
That question I'm going to ask
Yeah.
Preeti about it. Superb. So Preeti happened and Shadi happened, then kids happened. Now, how old are your kids?
12 and 8.
12 and
Yeah.
8. Wow. You
Yeah.
maintained yourself pretty well.
No,
Is it like,
thank you.
what do you eat? Or is it the genes?
It's hard work also.
It's hard work.
Some in the genes, but some hard work also.
You had like, you spent a lot of time in the gym. Early years.
Yeah, various different things. Nowadays I do more functional. Last year was pretty bad for me physically because I tore my shoulder in a fall.
Oh.
And the workout
During
was off
shoot?
and on. No, it was, you know, I just slipped and fell. It was one of those stupid accidents. So last year was not too good physically. But now I've started working out again and
Okay.
getting back to it, in fact, because I love a lot of, functional training and different in some weights, but I love boxing as well. I love training in boxing.
Yeah, sports
So,
से याद आया. Let's talk
yeah.
about Panja. So, what's with the Panja Premier League? You're making waves and
Panja League.
Pro Panja League.
Pro
Sorry
Panja
for that.
League.
Pro Panja
No.
League. So it's called Pro PPL.
PPL.
Is it like IPL?
PPL बोले तो people का league.
People का league. Wow.
Pro Panja League.
ये मुझे उसके बारे में और बताइए. We want to understand the entire business model behind it.
Yeah.
And some of them.
भारत का खेल.
भारत का खेल.
लगा पंजा क्योंकि यह भारत का खेल.
Wow. That's the tagline.
That's the tagline.
That's
भारत का
tagline.
खेल.
But है उतना audience. I remember when we kids I was like चल पंजा लगाते चल
It's
पंजा.
a
We used
huge,
to do that. Yeah.
with all due respect, I can say we've developed the audience. We've, made the audience, and we had a spectacular first year. किसी को नहीं लगा था कि इतने हमारे numbers आएंगे, viewership आएगी. But I think we surprised a lot of people, and it had huge numbers. We had 32 million unique viewers, and unique viewers. I'm not talking about reach also.
Oh, okay.
Unique viewers. So, which was pretty big. We were telecast on Sony Sports, and they were, they supported us a lot, and they're very happy.
Sorry, let's step back. Like, explain me. Like, it's like you and me, amateurs can come in, or it's like
No,
professional.
नहीं यहाँ पर
federations?
मैं करेंगे तो कोई देखेगा नहीं.
कोई
नहीं कोई देखेगा नहीं.
Oh,
With all due
okay.
respect.
Yeah, of course.
These are professional. These are.
I don't
you
need
will-
respect. I'm sure you're gonna win it,
But I would say, see, they weren't professionals at that time because first time we've brought a professional platform, but they're the best arm wrestlers in the country.
Okay.
अगर आप और मैं उनके साथ करेंगे तो हमारे हाथ टूट जाएंगे, literally.
बिल्कुल.
Our hands will snap. So कोई भी आके नहीं कर सकता है. These are guys who have been training for 10-15 years. They know it. Some guys, newer guys also, who have been training for 2-3 years, but they know what they're doing. They do specific exercises. They're very strong. And मेरे ख्याल से प्रो पंजा लीग फर्स्ट सीजन में इतना अच्छा इसलिए भी चला कि लोगों को ने देखा कि ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है जो हम पहले खेलते थे. इन्हीं की दो बंदों ने इधर हाथ रखा और फिर पंजा लगाया. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये पंजा
मेटल वाला जो एरिया होता है.
लेकिन जो बेसिक आइडिया है वो सबको मालूम है कि दोनों ने हाथ पकड़ना है और एक ने दूसरे के हाथ नीचे करना है. पर उसके बावजूद उसके अलावा कई सारे रूल्स हैं, प्रोफेशनल रूल्स हैं. वेयर वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप के रूल्स हैं जो हम फॉलो करते हैं.
Oh, nice.
It's a very big professional platform, and people really liked the simplicity, but also the rules also, very interesting stuff. And we did a lot of research, we did a lot of work. We developed this sport for 3-4 years before coming out with the first season properly.
Wow.
So काफ़ी ups and downs भी हुए क्योंकि जो हमारा पहला जो टूर्नामेंट था त्यागराज स्टेडियम दिल्ली में Feb 29th 2020 को हुआ. The first tournament we did, a 1-2 day tournament.
That's just before COVID.
Just exactly.
Oh.
So what 3 हफ्ते पहले, and Kiran Rijiju ji, has been a big supporter. At that time he was the sports minister. He came and inaugurated it. Vijender Singh Bhai has been a big supporter. He came also as one of the guests of honor. They both inaugurated the sport. They loved it, and it went off really well. But लेकिन 3 हफ्ते बाद, COVID happened.
Oh.
But again, everything, like I was saying, you can't think of it as a struggle. You think of it as a learning curve. Okay. Think the world has shut down, but it takes time. We used to review our videos, see what else can we do better, how can we change it, what can we do. And then in between the first and second lockdown, we did one show in front of the Gateway of India, and we decided to make it, in front of big locations.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
So that really worked. We did our second show on top of a casino boat, जहाँ पे गोवा में विजेंद्र सिंह भाई का एक boxing match series चल रहा था.
Okay. Was it Big Daddy by any chance?
No, it was Majestic Pride.
Majestic Pride.
So Majestic Pride के terrace के
another
ऊपर,
big one,
on the
yeah.
top. So that was a big success. Also, we did a couple of matches inside the boxing ring. And then we did a huge show in front of Gwalior Fort. And that's where our social media really clicked.
Oh.
So we were at some 12,500 subscribers, and we immediately started jumping and getting views. And now we're about 275,000 or something. And but we've done an amazing amount of views in 22. I think we did about 200 million views or something on our social media.
Wow.
In 23 also, apart from the season, apart from that, on our social media, again, we've done about 150 million views or something.
So people are watching it.
People are watching it. See, the thing is, it started popping up in reels, in people's discovery. जो Instagram वगैरह पे जो discover होते हैं, it started popping up there. A lot of our videos started going viral. People started watching. So that's why, a lot of things that we worked on वो मिलके उन्होंने पहला सीज़न को सक्सेस किया. सोनी स्पोर्ट्स का जो वो है सपोर्ट and the reach.
And people all watched into the reel, कौन जीता.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
yeah.
I'm just thinking from watch time of the
इसका
reel.
क्या है कि एक शॉर्ट एस्पेक्ट भी है क्योंकि एक राउंड जो है वो रील्स पे आ जाता है आराम से सोशल मीडिया पे, और जो लंबा पूरा मैच है वो ऑफ कोर्स टीवी पे देखते हैं. सुनील शेट्टी जी ने सपोर्ट किया. ही इज कम ऑन एज अ एज एन इन्वेस्टर, अ माइनॉरिटी इन्वेस्टर. बिग सपोर्ट ही इज बीन, एंड इट्स ग्रेट टू हैव somebody who knows, because we're also from the film world, so we kind of have ideas of how to market, but he's such a brilliant mind both in business and marketing and media. So it's been such an amazing thing having him on board and getting his advice. And then I was very lucky कि सनी देओल जी, सनी पाजी जो जिनके साथ करियर शो किया, उनके साथ हमने एक को ब्रांडेड प्रोमो बनाया.
He should be the brand ambassador, like 2.5 kilo.
We were lucky to, so we got him saying 2.5 kilo ka haath on the table.
Oh, nice.
So there was a co-branded promo between Gadar 2 and Pro Panja League, which was for us a dream come true.
Wow.
In our first season to have that. So that was a big, part of it. So I think we, Touchwood, did a lot of things right जो लोगों को इतना पसंद आया, and a lot of people really watched it and loved it, and we have high hopes for the second season now, which is going to come up.
I'm just curious, like, how do these Premier Leagues make money? Maybe if you want to share some numbers as well.
Of course.
So you put in some money and then you get investors.
I put in a lot of money actually.
Everything?
Well, not everything. Nobody puts in it, but a lot of money. See, the thing is, when you're doing something so big, because it's a league, it's a national league, it's not some small tournament. You can't do it half-heartedly. You have to do it in a big way. And in the beginning, you know how it is. It's an investment, right? It's a new business. It's a startup, and and people can't see your vision, right? It's not a technology startup that you making an app and people would understand it, right? It's a sport also, which you're putting out. People don't know how we were going to put it out because they had never seen it put out. And I have to say this, that now it's become the biggest arm wrestling tournament in the world.
Really?
The way we've done it. Yeah, it's the biggest. So everybody wants to come on, the Pro Panja League platform. So people didn't know, how, but I can say after they've seen it, there's a lot of excitement in the sports world of what we, managed to do and going ahead also now. So of course, the basic business, behind sports, and especially sports in India, leagues in India is, franchisee sales, then sponsorships, and, various other things which are surrounding that, which we've done a detailed business plan.
I would like to know more about it. Do you have like state levels, or is it like, how do you, do states compete with each other, or it's like individuals?
No, it's teams. We've made them city-based.
Oh, it's a city-based. Oh, great. So it's like,
you can say like the NBA, right?
Yeah.
Chicago versus,
New York,
Charlotte, New York, and all
great.
of that, So
That's
it's
so amazing.
But the players come from anywhere, of course.
It's
not like a Rohtak player is from Rohtak.
Yeah, it's like an IPL,
Yeah, exactly.
So,
they come from anywhere.
Iyer can play in Delhi team
Exactly,
and whatnot.
absolutely.
Oh, great.
Absolutely,
So amazing. Is it profitable? Have you broke?
Not yet, but we will very, very soon. It's going as planned. We were never planning, never was it planned that we will break even in the very first year itself. It's always an investment year. So we always knew, the first year is an investment year. I think any business which breaks even in the first year itself is a big, but very soon, much sooner than I would say other leagues have done. And we've managed to, I would say, be economical during the lockdowns as well.
Yeah.
Where a lot of people had to shut down also because they couldn't afford to sustain and keep going. I think we did a good job in making sure that we were a tight, team, and we managed to sustain and survive the lockdown and come back even stronger. I would say, and this is, I would say we were actually stronger because of the lockdown, and we've done much better because during the lockdown we had that time to reassess how should we bring it to market, how is it going to be much more interesting for broadcast, because at the end of the day, see, it's content, right? It's sports, but it's sports entertainment.
True.
See, you are on TV, you are in competition with everybody else on TV at that time.
Yeah. People are watching the IPL as well, and they
and
were,
everything.
yeah,
So nobody thought, not even we thought, we would be able to do 32 million unique viewers. And that too, we would have done much more. But out of the 17 days, 10 days, India West Indies was going on live.
Oh.
So we were kind of, at the same
Competing
time.
with
So
them, yeah.
so we would have done even better. I have to say, Sony supported us big, and they were really happy with the kind of numbers we have managed to do. So
I was just curious. Your LinkedIn said you're a co-founder. So
so Preeti is the other co-founder.
Oh, the Preeti is
Yeah, Preeti is the other co-founder.
I mean,
Correct.
so my next question is like, how does it from a lover to a wife to a mom? I mean, she's managing a lot of things.
Yeah.
More importantly,
Then you'll have to ask her tomorrow.
I will. But for you as a person, how is it bringing your own partner into the same business? Because
See, I would say we handle different aspects of it.
okay,
I handle the creative part of it and what rules and all, and players, and she handles more of the, you can say, personal, talking to people, and she's much better with people.
the PR thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
okay.
people than I am. You
Okay.
can say, yeah,
Okay, got it. This is so amazing.
yeah.
All right, so here we are coming towards the end, and in end of our discussions, we always do some advice sessions. Since it's called a Gen Z podcast,
Oh.
they're all like 20, 21 to maximum 25-year-old who are listening to us.
But let me tell you, this sports is a great profession
Yeah.
to get into now. For the upcoming India. India is investing a lot of money into sports. India, our present government has realized, being a sporting power is a great soft power to have, and that's great. They're investing so much into developing athletes into the whole sports, background. So I think this is a great time to come into sports, but it's a lot of hard work. So Gen Z should be ready. I don't think they're usually ready for that,
For the
but they
sports,
should
yeah.
be. No, for the hard work part. For the hard work part.
खेल तो लेते हैं.
Yeah, खेल तो लेते हैं.
Oh,
But
nice.
one of the, anyways, so it's just Gen Z is sitting around. Let's just
Okay.
say that. So, but so it's a great business to. I think a great profession to be in coming future, as well as what you're doing. I think digital media is the present and the future as well, and it's a great thing for people to get into. But sports, I think, is going to be exploding in our country.
True. And more importantly, what has been your bread and butter when you were growing up? Acting.
Yeah,
What's your advice to this
absolutely.
20-21-year-old? वो एक यूपी में बच्चा बैठ के, पंजाब में बच्चा बैठ के सपने ले रहा है उसको मॉनसून वेडिंग के मीरा नायर के साथ काम करना है, या सनी देओल की मूवी मिलेगी मुझे.
अभी अच्छी बात यह है कि कंटेंट बहुत बन रहा है अभी, एंड इसमें यह है कि OTT भी है, TV भी है, फिल्म्स भी हैं, कंपटीशन भी बढ़ गया है एक्चुअली, लेकिन कंटेंट काफ़ी बन रहा है. एंड मैं ये बोलूँगा, सिर्फ अभी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये है, सिर्फ आपको इन तीनों चीज़ों पे रिलाई नहीं करना है. अभी आप घर पे बैठ के कंटेंट क्रिएट करके भी आप पैसे कमा सकते हैं. You can have followers doing that, and there's nothing wrong in that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
If you're able to sit at home and sit in Ludhiana and create content which people are watching and following you, and you can make money from that, then what's wrong?
Yeah.
You
And
know?
how about this joining the schools? The acting schools in Bombay, like they're like, you go to anywhere in Andheri, you're going to find like a roles. in
Of
schools.
course. See,
Do they play roles, or it's like hands-on? या AD बन जाओ, बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, right?
Yeah, of course. See, there's no fixed path. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये रास्ता आप अपना लो तो आप एक्टर बन ही जाओगे. ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कोई ऐसा फिक्स्ड या ये मत करना, ऐसा भी नहीं है. आप कुछ भी करके एक्टर बन सकते हैं. आपके टैलेंट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, हार्ड वर्क, और आपके लक के ऊपर. So luck and being in the right place at the right time plays a big I would say
I know,
factor.
but आपके accordingly क्या है कि यार
See, one thing I would
मुझे
definitely
लगता है
do
ये
is be hardworking,
yeah.
be ready to work hard, but also put a lot into making good relationships. And this is not just in the acting world, but any, I think,
Yeah.
business nowadays. Is people like to work with people who they get along with and who
Right.
they like to have around. Sometimes, you may be cast because somebody wants to have you around.
Yeah.
You might not be the best actor for that job, but somebody likes you and they want to cast you, they'll cast you. So you never know what works. So always have a good attitude, always have a positive attitude, always have a can-do attitude.
And a good human being as well.
Yeah, and a good
then you'll be likable
absolutely
and
respect
people won't be around
other people around you, and you know, so you never know why you are.
So a
cast.
likable person with a decent acting skill can get.
I would say, see, I don't want to say decent because I don't want to say that be average and you'll get work.
Yeah. Okay. Say the A and B both are good.
For me, excellence has always mattered a lot. I respect excellence.
So excellent one, excellent two. If you're
I would
excellent
say,
with good skills,
yeah, I would say you have to really push your craft. But what I'm saying is, apart from that, you might be an excellent actor, but if you don't get along with people, they might not cast you no matter how good you are.
Got it.
That's what I'm trying to say.
craft का ही question है. I understood
Yeah.
this is the very important aspect
Yeah.
of the whole thing. Craft
Yeah.
का ही question है. So again, so AD बने आपके accordingly. I know
See,
there's no right answer.
AD क्या है? AD का जॉब भी सबको नहीं मिलता है. AD का जॉब भी मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. You know, but हाँ, अगर आप AD बन सकते हैं तो आपको कि इंडस्ट्री कैसे काम करती है, सेट पे कैसा वो होता है. जैसे मैं भी पहली बार सेट पे गया, मैं कभी सेट पे नहीं गया था, मुझे नहीं मालूम था क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता
Marks क्या होते हैं, कैमरा क्या होता है.
Not just that, but how to be on a set.
अच्छा हो.
You know, even how to be on a set.
Yeah.
You know,
With the lights on
with
and
not just that, but as a person, you know, people are calling you this and क्या करना है, किससे बात, you know, you don't know. So even being an AD or anything else on the set is a learning of how to be, because you're observing the actors, you're observing how other people
Yeah.
are, you know, how you're treated, how you should speak, what you should do. So there's a big learning in that also, and you have to remember that, see, being a success as an actor is also continually working. You know, you don't always have to have a 500 crore film,
Yeah.
right? Not everybody's going to have a 500 crore film. The main thing is also, you know, continually working and doing the best in the job that you have. You know, once you say okay, yes to something, try your best. You know, no matter what is. And I've always followed that, you know, rule with myself. I don't take something up if I don't feel I can, you know, put 100% into it. And if once I say yes to something, chahe kuch ho jaye, I have to put in 150, 200%
got it.
into that. And
If you have to, sorry for
Sorry.
interrupting. So if you have to like rank it, like rank 1 is AD बनना, rank 2 is practice करते रहो, audition जाते रहो, धक्के खाते रहो, या आजकल तो online चल रहा है.
that's
And
number
rank
one
3
actually,
is-
because
that's
it's
number 1.
yeah, because see,
Okay, give
it's because you have, you know, giving your portfolio and everything and pictures and you know, being noticed, you know, is something because which might be, you know, easier, I would say, or more doable and practical than becoming an AD. You know, because like I said,
then acting school maybe, like
acting school also, because acting school also, you're not just learning skills, but you're also making connections.
Oh, yeah.
You're also networking, you're meeting people, you're finding out ki auditions ho kahan rahe hain.
got it.
So that is also important from that aspect. Also, apart from the aspect of, you know, learning how to create character and how to, you know, work and, you know.
Super. But those auditions give you the real juice.
Yeah, the auditions as in, see, because if you're good, you may not get one role, may not get another role, but you'll eventually get notice and you'll get something.
Super.
If you have worked hard on yourself and if you have the basic talent also.
Yeah, of course.
So you have to be very practical also. Not everybody is meant to be an actor, no matter how hard you work.
Super. So it's like excellence in your craft, plus hard work,
Yeah.
plus those relationship building skills, being likable and the best human in the room. People
I
want to be
wouldn't
around.
just say being likable, because then you don't want to try too hard to be everybody that.
Yeah,
not
yeah.
everybody's going to love you.
No, of course.
You know, but not being an ass. Let's say that.
Yeah, of
you know,
course.
at least not initially. Once you become a star, then that's up to you.
Like you as a person, you're a likable human being. You know, I mean, we met today for the
Yeah.
first time. You know, we feel like talking more.
Yeah.
So I think that is also, it comes out on camera as well.
Yeah.
I think if you're not likable, so
Yeah.
right.
But I say more than on camera, I think in interpersonal relationships.
Yeah.
Being able to conduct interpersonal
Jesse, we didn't give him the
relationships.
coffee for like for the first 1 hour. He was okay with that. So
Yeah, I'm not going to kill anybody if I don't get coffee. I'm fine.
this is so amazing. So that's Praveen Dabas with you, and thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure.
Sir. It was pleasure. Any parting thoughts to all our subscribers who are Gen Z, and anything you want to tell them, or maybe advice to your 20-year-old self?
My 20-year-old self, if I was a Gen Z right now, you know, because I'm
Yeah.
you know, I have, I don't want to say surrounded by people who are Gen Z also, but and kids growing up are Gen Z,
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
so we know. So I don't want to see. Let's not make Gen Z into a dirty word.
Yeah.
You know, it's a new generation, and I'll tell you
course.
one thing. हमेशा जो next generation आता है सबको लगता है अरे हमको मालूम था next gen. It's a new generation. You have to understand them also. It's not just about trying to turn them into what we have been, but understanding that this is a different generation. Each generation is different. They have different thoughts. They grow up in a different way. So it's understanding them also, but it's also making sure that they understand that life is not all roses. It is a lot of hard work as well. To get where you want to be or excel, and don't settle for mediocrity. One danger I feel nowadays is because there's so many things one can do and just make a living. We tend to accept that.
Yeah.
So what I would my advice to my 20-year-old self or everybody else is don't accept being mediocre or being average. Always excel, not just for yourself, but remember that you are the building block for this nation. Our nation is at a stage where we're going to explode.
True.
And you are the building blocks for our country right now, which is poised to do great things. In the future, and there's a lot of hard work which is going to come into it. And so whatever you do, just try to be the best at what you're doing, and don't look down at anything. I don't look down on, whether it's anything. People, making a living by doing anything, by if you're making a living doing digital and creating reels, fair enough.
Yeah.
Not everybody's going to be an engineer and a doctor to get respect.
जो भी करो एकदम मतलब top class करो.
Yeah, top class. Whatever you do, try to be the best.
So
That's
amazing.
it.
All right. Thank you once again, Praveen. Really humbled to have you on board.
Thank you.
Boys and girls, do it on the like button और मुझे comment करके बताइए आपके दिमाग में क्या विचार आ रहे. Hope this podcast was really helpful. And if you guys want to give him love and luck, all the best in the comment section for sure. That'll be great. Thanks, Praveen, once again.
Thank you so much, everybody, and continue watching. And we are coming up with another season of Pro Panja League.
There, of course. When is it?
We want Gen Z to watch. It's a Gen Z sport.
When is it?
August, most
August.
probably.
Okay, great. So I'll give them the link and they can also watch it.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, boys and girls. Take care. Bye-bye.